Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b is multiplied by 3 times is equals to b plus b plus b, and we solve this problem for all the values of b, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method, and we have here you see that b is multiplied by 3 times and its bases are same. So according to the exponential law, we add its exponents and it will be written as b to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to. In the same pattern, you see that b is added by 3 times. When we take common b from here, we get the remaining values are 1 plus 1 plus 1. Further, we have b to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes b cubed is equals to, here 1 is added by 3 times and we get 3 times of b. And now we move the value 3b from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes b cubed minus 3b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve b, so that we will be take common b from here and we get the remaining values are b square minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Further, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b is equals to 0, and the second case is we write b square minus 3 and this whole equation is equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here now we move minus 3 to the right hand side. And now for the values of b, we remove square sign from here, and for this we apply a square root on both of the sides. So this 2 and square root are gone, and we get b is equals to square root of 3. Further, you know about that when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will be right here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So from this method we get these are the three roots of the given equation. One is 0 and other are plus minus square root of 3. And now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is b multiplied by b multiplied by b is equals to b plus b plus b. And here in this side we will be verify b is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to plus square root of 3, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to minus square root of 3. So here we verify all these three roots of the given equation. When we put b equals to 0 on both of the sides, it will become 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0, and we get here 0 equals to 0. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value b is equals to 0 satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify b is equals to plus square root of 3. So we put this value on both of the sides, and it will become square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is equals to square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3. So when we multiply these three values, so here you see that when we multiply square root of 3 with square root of 3, it will be written as square root of 3 and its whole square multiplied by square root of 3. And from here we take common square root of 3 and we get 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this 2 and square root are gone, and we get 3 times of square root of 3 is equals to, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is also becomes 3 times of square root of 3. This means that both of the sides are equal, so it concludes about that the value b is equal to 3 is square root of 3 satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we need to verify b is equals to minus square root of 3. So for this we put b equals to minus square root of 3 on both of the sides of the given question, and it will becomes minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3 is equals to, here minus square root of 3 is added by 3 times in the right hand side, and we get minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 and minus square root of 3. So here when we multiply minus square root of 3 two times, it will becomes minus square root of 3 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by minus square root of 3 is equals to, here minus square root of 3 is added by 3 times and we write it as minus 3 times of square root of 3. Here we know that when we apply square on negative term, it will becomes positive, and these two and square root are gone and we get 3. And here when we multiply this negative sign on this 3, we get minus 3 times of square root of 3 is equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3. This shows that both of the sides are again equal. It means that the third value of b is also satisfied our given question statement. It means that all the values of b is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is b equals to 0, square root of 3 and minus square root of 3. These are the three solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.